YouTube's updated its monetization rules. Can I monetize YouTube with 500 subscribers?
In 2024,
YouTube introduced a reduced access route for monetization, allowing creators with 500 subscribers to qualify. For eligibility, they need either 3,000 watch hours in the past 365 days or 3 million YouTube Shorts views in 90 days. Let's break it down. To earn money, you now need. There are new ad formats, and how YouTube shares ad revenue has changed. You can still make money through ads, YouTube Premium, channel memberships, merchandise, Super Chat, and Super Stickers. YouTube keeps a portion of your ad revenue, usually around percentage. To succeed, focus on quality content, growing your audience, using different ways to earn money, understanding your stats, and staying updated. Visual, call to action, subscribe, share. Narrator. Like this video? Thumbs up and share it. Mastering the new rules takes effort, but creating great content, a loyal fanbase, and exploring different income streams will help.